Woo! Alrighty. Good morning, everybody. It is 5:59 in the morning. I am headed to McDonald's. All the breakfast places in my town don't open till 7, so we are going to McDonald's. What else? I have been up since 4:51. Just woke up, and then of course I wanted to fall back asleep, but I think with everything going on today, my body was like, yeah, you're getting up. So I unloaded the dishwasher. What else did I do? On the dishwasher this morning. Oh my gosh. Oh, folded laundry. Squished over the load. Last night, Elizabeth had an accident in her bed, which is like kind of both of our faults. Not gonna get into it, but yeah. So I had to wash her bed sheets on top of everything else. But yeah, I'm going to get myself a good old breakfast, enjoy it while everybody else in the house sleeps. My back's a little sore, but I think just from unloading dishwasher and stuff. I'm sure I'll get tired later, but maybe I'll have like a nap in the car or try to sleep there while everything's going on. Not really sure, but
you had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too.
Well, we just had the baby. Baby Matthew. He's very big. 11 pounds, 7 ounces. Big, big. I think he looks a lot like Mom. He's opening his eyes. Big baby.
We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else.
alrighty, so we are out and in our room. It is 9 p.m. He's just eating right now, but I've had a little bit to eat, a little bit to drink. My friend's dropping off at Subway. Richard's gonna meet her outside to pick it up because basically all the places to eat in here are closed, and because of the time of my C-section, I don't get a meal until the morning. So yeah, he's going to pick up Subway. He has long fingernails. He already scratched his forehead, so I'm going to try and trim them later. And he was 11 pounds, 7 ounces. And my nurse measured him or whatever. Oh, 1 second. He's just eating right now, but he had lost his latch, so I just want to make sure he was back on again. But yeah, they've already bathed him. He's had 2 glucose tests that he needs to have 4. His numbers have been good, so that's good. What else? I think I get my COVID test later on. And yeah, whatever they use though, it like dried out his skin, so I want to see if there's anything I can put on him. And I don't know if any of the clothes we brought are gonna fit him. We shall see. But yeah, he's here, and C-section went really, really good. Yeah, I also got my tubes removed, so I will be doing a separate video on that. And I don't really have anything else to say. 11 pounds, 7 ounces. They weren't kidding when they said he was going to be big, so I just can't believe he's here. It's just such an amazing feeling. I also rubbed my eyes before I filmed this, so hopefully it's not too red. Also, my phone will not charge in any of these plugs for whatever reason, so that's why I'm vlogging on our camera. But yeah, 2 days with not my phone, not cool. I'll be fine, but it would be nice.
I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Call me anytime that you need a favor.
Alrighty, hopefully you can see me. But today we get to go home. Honestly, yesterday was like a blur. And we were just trying to get sleep while he slept. And you figure all these doctors coming in and out are nurses and stuff, testing and all that. So yesterday he had his bilirubin, so his jaundice test. He had his cardiac test, which he failed the first time but passed the second time. Yeah, just a whole bunch of stuff. So my medicine is kicking in, so I'm starting to feel a little bit better. I get it every 12 hours, so around like 6:30 and 12:30. So, oh my gosh, when that time comes, it's like, give me the meds. He's just being a sweet little boy over there sleeping. He was 11 pounds and 7 ounces. I'm hoping to post on Instagram today, but you'll see the Instagram post before this goes up. But he was a big boy, so it makes sense why they did my C-section, and they did it early. They did it a week early. But yeah, everybody's doing well. He's doing so good, eating so good. He dropped down to 11.1, which they said is really good, especially for a big baby. A lot of times they have to top up with formula, so they said that's really good. But they're going to weigh him one more time today. He has his hearing test today, and then I think we get to go home. So super, super excited. I'm trying to stay hydrated, drink lots of water. Richard went to go get breakfast. Mine comes at 7:30. And then, yeah, hopefully we'll get to go home this morning. Just depends, like, they're just switching over staff now, so we'll get a new nurse for the day. But yeah, the only thing we have left to do is his hearing test, and even then they might just do it at the newborn clinic. But yeah, so just wanted to update you guys, and yeah, we're all doing well. He's a pretty good sleeper. He was up a little bit last night. We had a hard time getting him to sleep just because he was wide awake, but yeah, he's doing pretty good. My hubby took some video footage, which is really nice of him. I mean, Miss Elizabeth, but she's having so much fun with my mom. So yeah, it'll be nice to just like be able to sleep in our own beds and get back to normal and adjust to this new routine. But it's just crazy that he's here and our family is complete. So we've waited a long time for this moment, and it's finally here. So
Then call me anytime when you're out of time, and you, I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too.
Don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too.
Hello?
Where's my baby badger?
Right here, beautiful.
Oh.
Hi.
I think I heard a car. And I open up the front door. They're here. Oh, no, they're not here yet, but they're coming.
He brought you a present.
Baby badger.
Yeah, baby brother. Hi, baby. Yeah, she's being gentle, right? Don't touch his head, okay? Maybe his little hands, or maybe his little cheek.
Hey.
You just can touch him, okay?
You can't grab him.
It's too
You just
good.
touch him like this. Watch that.
You want to open your present?
Well, how you feeling?
I'm sore.
Terrible.
Terrible.
Oh, look at him. What do you think your baby brother got you?
Your baby brother brought you a present? Yeah. Listen to him making all those little noises.
He's like, I'm free, finally.
Oh. He didn't need too many blankets, eh?
No.
To tuck him in.
Hey, you can't.
Wait.
You gotta wait.
Let Daddy get him.
You want to go sit on the
Go
couch?
sit on the couch and Daddy will bring him downstairs so you can hold him.
You look beautiful.
Okay, yeah, we can bring this down. I'll bring this down. Yeah.
That's all that's. Watch your step, please.
Think it's too high. Me too. Look.
Oops.
I got this baby.
Yeah.
We got this. Back.
What did you get?
Why got a mask?
Oh, because I can't.
My makeup boy. This is a here.
What did he get you? He got you Anna to go with your Elsa doll.
Listen to her. She's been so excited.
Okay.
You might need to get some pillows
Sit
or
your bum
something.
down. Put your bum down.
Can you sit on your bum?
There you go.
Throw me a couple pillows.
Here, where do you want them? I'm kind of.
Put that in there. Yeah. There you go. One other one.